Factor affecting the rate of reaction. Okay, the rate of reaction is the speed at which the reactants are converted into the products. So rate of reaction is equal to change in the amount of reactant or product divided by time. How to measure rate of reaction? The rate can be measured by the volume of the gas produced, loss of mass, formation of precipitation, color change, or change in the concentration. Collision theory. According to collision theory, reactants occurs only when the particles collide with a sufficient energy and in the correct orientation. Okay, anything increase the number of successful collision increase the reaction rate. Factor affecting the rate of reaction. Temperature. Increasing temperature increase the rate of reaction. Why? Particles gain more kinetic energy, they move faster, collision occurs more frequently. Okay, more particles have energy greater than the activation energy, more successful collision occurs. Okay, magnesium plus hydrogen acid reacts much faster when the acid is warm. Concentration effect. High concentration, faster reaction. Why? Particles are present in the same volume. Collision frequency increases, so more successful collision. Okay. For example, 2 moles per decimeter cube of hydrochloric acid is faster than 1 mole per decimeter cube of hydrochloric acid. Why? Because there is more probability of successful collision because there are more molecules of HCl. Pressure. High pressure, faster reaction. Why? Because particles are getting closer due to pressure and collision become more frequent. Nitrogen and hydrogen react faster under high pressure during ammonia production. Surface area effect. Greater surface area, faster reaction. More particles are exposed and more collision occurs at the surface. Powdered calcium carbonates react faster than the marble chip. Now we are going to talk about catalyst. Catalyst is a substance that speed up the reaction without being used up. Okay, it it gives a alternative path, lower activation energy, and increase the successful collision. For example, iron in Haber process. So iron is a catalyst in Haber process, which will decrease the activation energy. Magnesium oxide in hydrogen peroxide decomposition. Platinum in catalytic converter. Effect of catalyst on energy profile diagram. Without, I will make it over here. So that is energy and that is reaction. One second, that is reaction path. So without catalyst, reaction would be like this, for example, but with catalyst it will substantially decrease. With catalyst, now we are going to do comparison table. Factors. Temperature. Fa- Effect. Faster particles, more energetic collision, so effect is faster. Concentration, more particles per unit volume, so it's a faster. Pressure, gas particles closer together, so faster. Surface area, more particle exposed, so faster reaction. Lower activation energy, yes, faster reaction. Factors that slow down reaction: lower temperature, lower concentration, lower pressure, large solid pieces, and no catalyst. Okay, everyday application is refrigerator, slow down spillage. Crushing tablet increase their surface area so they dissolve faster, and a lot of stuff like that. Okay, so fast reaction, what will happen? For example, there are two reactions. Okay, so that is a diagram of production of, that is a product, and that is a time. So that is without catalyst. Without catalyst or slow reaction. Okay, with catalyst, what will happen? The reaction would be faster. Okay, that's all about it.